occupied Gilgit-Baltistan has been grappling with inflation for long. The cost of almost all items has touched a new high. People are struggling to fulfill their basic needs with the income they earn through their menial jobs. Protests have been going on for a long time across the cities of Gilgit-Baltistan. Having reached saturation, people are not ready to call it a day this time. Have a look.
A large number of locals and people from different political groups staged a massive protest against the government in the illegally occupied Gilgit-Baltistan and demanded an immediate check on the exponential rise in inflation. Joined in by different political parties, they called the current dispensation a failure and said it had only brought misery to the people of Gilgit-Baltistan. Locals blamed that a policy paralysis in Islamabad coupled with unscrupulous intent of the Imran Khan government was responsible for the current situation where both the retail and wholesale inflation had touched a historic high. Opposition leaders, including the former CM of Gilgit-Baltistan, lamented what he said was an unfolding crisis where every single resident of Gilgit-Baltistan was staring at a state-manufactured catastrophe.
तुमने अमीरों को गरीब कर दिया, गरीबों को गरीब तर कर दिया। लोग रोटी के लिए हाथ फैलाने पे मजबूर हैं। अस्पतालों के बाहर लोगों की लाइनें लगी हैं। आपने दवाइयां महंगी करके ब्लड प्रेशर, शुगर, हार्ट के मरीज, बुजुर्गों को बिस्तर मरक पे सिसक के मरने पे मजबूर किया है। और तुम मदीने की रियासत के नाम लेते हो। लानत होनी चाहिए तुम्हारी शक्लों और तुम्हारी अक्लों पर।
The prices of staple food, including sugar, wheat flour and pulses, have skyrocketed in the past few months in Gilgit-Baltistan. Domestic budgets have been severely hit due to sharp rise in the fuel, food and transportation costs. People say they are barely making their ends meet. The inflation rate has touched the double-digit mark in Pakistan too, but it is particularly high in the illegally occupied regions.
महंगाई से सिर्फ पीपल्स पार्टी वाले मुतासिर नहीं हुए, बल्कि सारा एरिया गिलगित बल्तिस्तान मुतासिर हुआ है। अगरचे पूरा पाकिस्तान मुतासिर हुआ है, लेकिन पाकिस्तान में चीजें बंद की है, कारखाने हैं। गिलगित बल्तिस्तान में वो चीजें आने तक हमें उनका किराया देना पड़ता है। 10 जगह मुनाफाखोरी के बाद पब्लिक के हाथ में वो चीजें लगती हैं। इमरान खान और उसकी हुकूमत ने गरीबों का जीना दोवर किया है। गरीबों के नाम से ये हुकूमत हासिल किया गया था, लेकिन गरीब इनके जमाने में 2-2.5-3 सालों में गरीब गरीब होता गया है, अमीर अमीर होता गया।
While Pakistan has been witnessing economic challenges owing to its incompetent policies, the Gilgit-Baltistan region, which is already marginalized, has borne the major brunt of high inflation. Experts say the economic decline being faced by Pakistan due to its own faults is being compensated by its illegally occupied territories of GB and POK, and this sudden escalation in the prices could be one aspect of the design. The employment opportunities are diminishing in Gilgit-Baltistan and the price index has gone up. This comes as a major blow to the people of the region whose lives were already battered by a systematic discrimination being meted upon them by occupier Islamabad.